Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So of course I already have gestures set, but if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, all you have to do is to go to the settings. Let me go back quickly. And here let's scroll down to find System and Update. Then we have to tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got the gestures and the buttons. So if you've got buttons, you can also change the button layout, so you can reorder the back button and the recents, and here you can decide whether you would like to use the digital assistant from Google with home button to wake it. Alright, so to set the gestures we have to tap on this animation. Your device will ask you whether you want to go to through the tutorial to learn how to use the gestures. I don't want to, I already know how to do it. Moreover, in a second I will explain how to use the gestures. So here instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. We can hide it, it's totally up to you whether you want to have it hidden or not. Here you can also customize the gestures, like you can vibrate on back navigation, switch to previous apps, mistouch prevention, etc. And the sensitivity for the back gesture, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center until you see this arrow, and now you can release the finger. And the same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold, maybe not hold your finger, we have to do it quite fast. It should be a short and quick gesture like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.